Today I'm going to share a story about when I was in high school. College. I was in college. I'm in an area that reminded me of a moment in my time in college when I used to be really, really depressed. I don't feel that depression that I used to feel anymore. I feel like my diet has helped me in so many ways overcome anxiety, depression, overwhelmment, so many mental illnesses. Why this reminds me of a college moment is because I'm up on a hill. In this moment, I was going to one of my friend's house. I had two different friends and we were going to Pikeville, I think is where he lives. And they had an amazing view up on the hill like this. And this trip was kind of an interesting trip for me because it was very emotional in a positive and negative way. Because in the positive way, I was going out with my friends, having an amazing trip with my friends, some of my best friends in college, hanging out with them for the weekend. But it was a very emotional day because I used to be so incredibly depressed. I was having all these emotional things talking to you guys and then realized that the camera wasn't on, so let me start again. But this view reminded me back when I was in college and how much I struggled with living life. I had this pain within me that was so hard to deal with. I just remember sitting at a table at a bowling alley and my whole body was screaming with pain because I emotionally felt like I didn't want to live anymore. Because this world was so hard. It's so hard for me because I don't fit in. I don't feel good here. I just struggle. I don't know why, but I struggle with so much emotional things inside of me. And I remember this trip specifically and how emotional I was because I cried so much. I just remember having like all these mental breakdowns. I remember being at my friend's house on this trip, that this was supposed to be this amazing trip, and just crying and having these emotional breakdowns because I didn't want to live because the pain inside of me hurt so bad. I wanted to make this video to kind of give you some of the pain inside of me, but I also wanted to make this video for my two friends because I wanted to thank them. I wanted to thank them because they were amazing friends during that time. They sat with me, they listened to me, they loved me, and they never abandoned me. And I'm so thankful for these two friends, Brandon and Crystal, for being amazing friends when I needed them, when I was so depressed and didn't have that want to live, but they were amazing there and they were amazing supports for me that whole time. And I'm thankful to be in the place that I am now because I feel like I've overcome that pain in my body. I still have a lot of emotion that I've been healing through, but I'm such a totally different person than I was back in high school. And even until the past couple years, I've just dealt with so much emotion, so much pain that I haven't been able to process until I've started this healing journey. I mean, I've been on a healing journey for years and years, but I feel like until I started doing the morning cleanse and doing now I start my morning with lemon water and I drink watermelon juice until the evening, until I started bringing in these juices and doing juices every single morning. That is where I feel like the turning point was for my healing. Which brings me to the point, if you have not yet, go sign up for my free video course on the morning cleanse. The link is in the description or in the comments below. But thank you to my two amazing friends that were there while I went through depression and didn't want to live and never left my side. Thank you for being there. All right, guys, please subscribe to this channel. Like this video. If you didn't like it, you can give it a thumbs down even. Commenting and liking and doing all that stuff helps my channel. All right, guys, thanks for watching. I will talk to you guys later. Bye.